Hello, I'm David O'Donnell Anderson, and I'm going to play an original song, Spanish Rain. I remember this one time back in Spain, was up to my usual checks again before my feet had touched the ground. I was in full flight, all vices found. Hello, it's nice to meet you. I'm sorry I ain't got time before to greet you, 'cause life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and when it brings a storm, just let it rain. So here comes the Spanish rain. It's come to cool me down as I've got the spins again. So here comes the Spanish rain. It's come to cool me down as I've got the shakes again. So we would drink all night and party every day. Well, looking back, it was a crazy way. It was once and forwards to back again. Sort of hell with that, just give me cocaine. Because when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and when it brings a storm, just let it rain. So here comes the Spanish rain. It's come to cool me down as I got the shakes again. So here comes the Spanish rain. It's come to cool me down.